Chatgpt now has several elements that you will have available to you depending on whether you choose to have the Plus account or the free account. It is important now to understand what the Plus account does so that you can explore the full measure of what Chatgpt has to offer. When you log into Chatgpt, you're going to see a few elements. In the top left-hand corner, you're going to see a link here that will allow you to start a new chat or conversation. This may be what you are traditionally used to when you're using Chatgpt. You're going to see elements here at the top, and these are going to be elements that you are using in your personalized version of Chatgpt. And again, this personalized version depends on whether you have the Plus account or whether you have the free account. You are going to see an element here that says Explore. If you click this link, that's going to open up into a few sections that you're going to see on your screen. One of those sections says Create a GPT. Another section says Recently Used GPTs. And the other section has GPTs created and made available by OpenAI. You're going to see here that there's going to be an element here that says Load More. That means you can load more elements that Chatgpt makes available to you that are created by OpenAI. If you go to your left-hand corner and you click on your account name, and we're going to pull up a menu of your settings. Once the menu is open for your settings, you're going to see an element here that says My Plans. You're also going to see an element here that says My GPTs. You're going to see an element here that says Custom Instructions. And all of these are going to be elements that you can use in order to customize your use of Chatgpt. What you'll notice is that when you click on the Plus account or My Plan, that the Plus account will give you access to the most advanced version of Chatgpt as of the recording of this session, which is GPT-4. You're also going to see that you can browse and create and use GPTs as you have seen in this video. You are going to have access to additional tools such as the image creator DALL-E, web browsing with Microsoft Bing, advanced data analysis, and there's a More tab here, which means then that you can extend Chatgpt using the plugin system. All of these elements are going to be available to you by using the Plus level of Chatgpt. There's a video course that will walk you through the basics of how to use these elements of Chatgpt. If you'd like to find out more about it, check out the link you see on your screen.